Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to download Steam on Linux Mint. Just go to the Start button or the Start menu, and then go to the App Center or the Software Manager, and then just type in Steam. So you can just download it through the Software Manager. Here's Steam. You got Steam Link and other things. And just go to Install. You can just go to Continue for the install. Type in your password, and then press enter and wait for this to install. You can see it installing, the progress right there. It's usually the problem. Now when you try to open it, it might take like a minute or two. I think it's downloading something in the background, or it's doing something in the background, so just give it some time. You can see it's downloading right here, it's installing, and we can look at some other stuff, maybe get Discord or something like that too if we just set up our system for the first time. So it's very easy to install. So the only problem is sometimes you might have a problem opening it. So once it gets done installing, just give it some time to open. So you might be clicking open a few times and nothing's happening. So you can see it's downloading, installing. I'll just wait for this to install and I'll show you. So it's done. And then we'll have the option to open. So we can go to launch now. Make sure you click. Go to install, whatever this is. It's got to install some additional software. I think that's usually the problem. It's installing something in the background. We're just not seeing it. So it's updating Steam as well. So if you're on like Ubuntu or something like that and you're getting this error, you're probably not seeing anything like this like you would on Mint for some reason. So this is probably hidden from you. But on Mint, it seems like everything just works a little bit better. I like it. And you should be good to go from here. You're going to have the login screen and you can start downloading your games.